Carl, why'd you get me out of bed?
Because we're going hunting. We're going cryptid hunting. Yay!
We're going what?
We're going cryptid hunting. We're gonna hunt for the evil screwdriver.
The evil screwdriver? That's the dumbest thing I've ever heard, Carl.
It's not dumb, Bolt.
Yes, it is dumb, Carl.
It's not dumb, Bolt.
Yes, it is.
Well, if you're so smart, then why don't you find out if it's actually.
Carl, we're not gonna go out in the woods to look for a screwdriver.
It's not an ordinary screwdriver. I heard it's big and black.
Yeah?
With a yellow and blue circle on it. And I heard it has a metal blade that can stab the souls of the innocent.
Stop being such a drama about it, Carl. It's probably not that remarkable.
But it is remarkable, Bolt. I bet it's exciting. It could kill one of us.
That's another reason why we don't need to we don't need to do it.
That was it! That was it! Tra-la-la! There it goes! There it goes! We gotta go! Tra-la-la! Duck Dodgers in the 24th and a half century!
Whoa!
I'm hot on its tail!
There! I saw it!
Where is it?
I saw it. I saw it in the grass.
There it is! Oh, quick, snap a picture! Whoa! Oh my God! Whoa, let's film it! Oh my God! Whoa! Whoa! Carl! Bolts, net it! Get the net! We're gonna be eating screwdriver for a week! What? Ow! What, it's actually alive? Yes, Bolt! Yeah!
Whoa!
We got it! Yippoo! Woohoo! Whoopee! Whoopee! Yay!
Did that thing smack me?
Yes.
See, look, it's trying to get out.
Whoa, you're right.
Oh, I stabbed it in the ground. Now we're gonna cook it, and we gonna fry it. Okay. Well, I put it in my infinity pocket. Do I have an infinity pocket? Yep. Well, I guess that's the end of this episode. See ya! What was that? Probably nothing. What is that? What?